country, India. Both are the nouns. Then why C is small in country and I is capital in India? Hello everyone, I'm Dolly and you are watching Dolly's Fun Learning English class. Watch this video till end to find out the answer of this question. Today our topic is common nouns and proper nouns. Look at this picture. Here in this picture, Priya and her dog Bravo are playing in a park with a ball. Here in this sentence, Priya is the name of a person, dog and Bravo are the names of an animal, park is a name of a place and ball is the name of a thing. Like this, there are many things all around us and each and everything has a name, and all these names are known as noun or naming words in English grammar. So, what is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. There are different types of nouns in English grammar. But today in this session, I will talk only over the common nouns and proper nouns. Look at this sentence one more time. Here in this sentence, Priya and Bravo are starting with a capital letter. But the other nouns, dog, ball, park are starting with a small letter. Because in English grammar, the proper nouns always start with a capital letter, but common nouns does not require any capital letter at the beginning. What is common noun and what is proper noun? Look, there are two girls. What is common among them? Yes, they both are girls. Girl is common here. Here, girl is a general name for these two people. So, girl is a common noun. If you say, hello girl, you might get many responses. Yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes. Because here, girl is not a specific name. So, girl is a common noun. But on the other hand, if you say, hello Priya, here you will get only one response. Yes ma'am. Because you are pointing a specific person, that is Priya. Priya is a special name given to a specific person. So, Priya is a proper noun. Now, look at this example. Taj Mahal, Charminar, India Gate. These are the names of famous monuments of India. Here, what is common among them? Yes, these are the names of monuments. So, monument is common. So, monument is a common noun for them. If I say, this monument attracts many visitors from around the world. Which monument? I am not specific here. It may be Taj Mahal, Charminar or India Gate. Which one? That's why monument is a common name, common noun. But if I say Taj Mahal attracts many people from around the world, so I am very much specific here. I am talking about the Taj Mahal only. Taj Mahal is a special name and given to a specific monument. So, Taj Mahal is a proper noun. So, till now, what we learned? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Common noun is a general name for a person, place, animal or thing. And proper noun is the name of a specific person, place, animal or thing. Common nouns start with a small letter unless they are the part of a title or start of a sentence. Title like the name of the story is The Three Butterflies. Here butterflies, it's a common noun, but it is a part of a title. That's why B is capital letter. Dogs are running. Dogs, common noun, but it is at the start of a sentence, at the beginning of a sentence. That's why D is capital letter. On the other hand, proper nouns always require capital letter at the beginning, even when they are not at the start of a sentence. Ria is an intelligent girl. My sister's name is Ria. Here in these two sentences, the position of Ria is not same. In the first sentence, Ria is at the beginning of a sentence, but in the second sentence, the Ria is at the end of a sentence. Here, Ria is a proper noun. It's a name of a specific person. That's why Ria starts with a capital letter in both sentences. Now, look at these sentences. He is a boy. It is an elephant. This is a fort. It is a car. Boy is the name of a person. Elephant is the name of an animal. Fort is the name of a place. And car is the name of a thing. But all these names are general names. That's why these names are known as common nouns. Now let's give special names to these common nouns. He is Johnny. It is Rambo. This is the Red Fort. It is a Honda City. Here, Johnny is a specific name of a person. Rambo is a specific name of an animal. Red Fort is the specific name of a place. And Honda City is a specific name of a thing. So these are all proper nouns. So when we give special names to a person, place, animal or thing, they are known as the proper nouns. Let's see few more examples of common nouns with their proper nouns. Like day, Sunday, month, July, festival, Holi, book, the Bible, river, Yamuna. So, common noun is a general name for a person, place, animal or thing, and proper noun is a specific name for a person, place, animal or thing. Now it's time for an activity. Roll the dice and learn common nouns and proper nouns. Learn with fun. Let's start. For this activity, we need a chart like this and a dice. First, I will show you how to make this dice. For this activity, you need 6 pieces of square paper like this. how to make this chart. For this chart, you need a piece of paper. Then draw some boxes like this in a chain pattern. In the first box, write start, and in the last box, write finish. Then in these boxes, write the names of any common nouns like girl, city, river, school. And in the corner boxes like these, you can write name for people, name for animals, name for things, name for places. Now our things are ready to play, the dice and the chart. Now let's start playing. How to play this game? Roll the dice. It is showing 5. So the first player will move 5 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now read. Name 4 people. So here the player has to name 4 people like girl, boy, doctor, Rohit, any name, common name or proper name. Now it's time for the second player. 2. 1, 2. Read city. So here you have to name a proper noun for city like Delhi. Like this, you have to play this game, but remember, you have to say the proper names within 5 seconds. But if the player is not able to say the name, then he or she has to return back to the original position. Now you can play this game with your family and friends and learn common noun and proper noun. Have you enjoyed the game? So now roll the dice and play with your friends, family and learn common nouns and proper nouns. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you for watching.